This is Rob with the Yacht Experts, standing on our newly listed Regal 33XO. This is a 2021 white on white boat, absolutely beautiful. My partner Christopher is at the helm here. Regal, you know the company, you love the company, privately owned, 55 years and debt-free. They make just awesome boats. This is the largest one of their express cruisers. By express cruiser, I mean that it is not a fully enclosed helm station and salon. We have openings here. We have isinglass that can be used to fill in here and close off the back of the boat. We've got a joystick, a bow thruster, twin Yamaha 300 motors. This is one of two boats designed outside of Regal, with the hull designed by C. Raymond Hunt Associates, kind of a legendary boat naval architect firm. The other boat that they designed for Regal is the 50 SAV, which is considered by some to be a really extraordinary boat. She's fun, she's comfortable, she's got a great cabin, a great outdoor entertaining space, and just going to walk you through her quickly. White 300 Yamaha motors. The Yamaha 300 is, in my estimation, the most dependable outboard motor ever built. This seating, which is designed, and Regal has this on several of their boats. Right now, I have this seat back, I had it forward to give more swim platform space. Now, I'm electronically moving it backwards to give more space here in the cockpit. And you can see that almost 18 inches of travel. I'm going to take that back. That's more like 24 inches. Somewhere between 18 and 24 inches, she moves back. And now look at the additional space you have here. Battery switches are in there. This is where we have a table that connects, storage under the seats. This seating is really cool. So right now we're facing forwards, but here we have it set up to be facing aft, and we bring it down here, and we can bring it down, I think, one more level to fully flat. And we have seating over here, so you have any number of ways to be incredibly comfortable on this boat. And I want to emphasize, we're talking about a 33-foot boat. This boat is completely trailerable. This boat can go anywhere. She rides in the water great, but she's easy to move. She's also, as an express cruiser, this used to be one of the most popular styles boats out there. And most manufacturers just don't have the bandwidth to be able to do both the enclosed with Regal, the 36XO, and the other XO versions of the boat, and still make an express cruiser. So the boats, the Monterey's, the Chaparrals, the Sea Rays of the world, they just don't make a boat like this. So if, like me, you happen to be a motorcycle enthusiast, a wind-in-the-face enthusiast, this is what boating is all about to an awful lot of people, me included. Our outdoor galley, we have a grill, refrigerator, ice drawer, lots of storage everywhere, as you would expect. Storage here, storage under those seats. This is another awesome seat, one of my favorite places to sit in the boat, although I am typically driving. Christopher is giving me relief here today, and that's awesome. But again, the comfort factor here, hard top, huge amount of sun coverage. One thing I wanted to show you, there you go with the shade out, and the shade will come back in. Let's just get this folded up. Gonna run you up through the helm station, then onto the bow before we get downstairs. So Christopher's sitting here at the helm station. You can see our big Garmin flat screen scene, our digital throttles, our joystick, bow thruster, VHF radio. This is an Optimus joystick. So what we have here is the Optimus steering system. This boat does not have autopilot, but it does have a system that will keep it going in a particular heading. So if you are, whatever direction you're going in, you can push a button on that and the boat will continue in it. It does have what did we call it? Was it way station? What was the
stay point?
Well, stay point, I call it. I think it's sea station is what Optimus calls it.
Okay.
There's an antenna up on the hood, on top of the hard top, and just like stay point, set point, skyhook for Yamaha and Mercury systems, this with the push of a button, the joystick engages with the GPS and the antenna and locks you in position, and the boat will stay stationary if you're waiting for gas, if you're waiting for a spot at the restaurant, if you're waiting for a bridge opening, if you happen to be in a super low bridge area. So that's a really nice feature. Family company, they're all about safety first. Whenever you're moving in dangerous places, they're designing it for 3 points of contact. So you see these integral steps built in here to the sliding doorway, hatchway to the downstairs. I have 1, 2, 3, I got 4 points. We have our windlass anchor, our locker, beautiful. There's a separate battery switch for the windlass. We have a really nice position to enjoy the sun. So that's the bow of the boat. Come on down. And here we have, in typical Regal fashion, just a spectacular cabin. Really cool. This fabric that we have down here is very unusual. It was offered by Regal up through 2022, then not offered anymore, and now they've brought it back in the 2026 and 2027 models as an option. Really popular, elegant, feels more like a living room than the marine leather that is so common. So I'm a big fan. Beautiful table here. So you see this setup. We have a galley. I'm fairly certain it has never been used. We have a head that has pretty much never been used. This is a wet head. We have an electric toilet, full shower, curtain that closes it off, mirror, vessel sink, etc., etc. Nice thing to have. And if you can see here, you know, I used to be 5'11", I'm now 5'10", and I've got more than I needed at 5'11" or even 6 feet to stand up in here comfortably. Well, let me get all the way comfortable here. We have lights here and here. We have lights over there. Typically, you're going to be set up, well, you can be anyway, but here's the TV for down here. There's another one up there. And yeah, this is just awesome. What's up with the bed here? That seems awfully small. And it does, doesn't it? I mean, this would be great for grandkids. My grandkids would love it up here. The dogs maybe, but would you really want to sleep there? Granted, not a lot of people are sleeping with more than 2 people on the boat if they're sleeping on it at all. Frequently, this boat is used as a party boat. Traveling, whether it's just locally or to the Bahamas, people are staying in a hotel if they're staying for a period of time. But certainly that bed is awesome for the 2 people. If there were more people, Regal wanted to have an understanding that for the most part, you're using a salon to hang out as a living room, etc., give you extra space rather than a full-size bed here. So here we have a really cool thing. Magically, we have a full-size bed. And yet, you know, just think about how much this would reduce the size, the living space, for what most people are using the boat for. So really cool option to have it when you need it, and even better to have it put away when you don't. Regal 33 XO. An unusual boat in today's world. There just aren't very many express cruisers of this size. Regal, you know, continues to make them. This, you know, it is a really expensive boat now to buy it new. This is an amazing value that we have it priced at. She's got under 300 hours, fresh bottom paint, freshly detailed, and ready for you to come visit.